Please open your books to page 10. Write your name at the top of the paper. I teach English every Monday and Wednesday. I always check the homework before class. The classroom has 20 desks. Our school starts at 8 a.m. Do you understand the lesson? What time do we have lunch? You do a great job on your assignments. She participates actively in class discussions.
I study for my exams every evening. We have math class on Tuesdays. Do we have a test this week? What do we need for the project? I like to read books during my free time. She helps me with my homework. I prefer group work over individual assignments. He enjoys science more than history. Our teacher gives us homework every day. They often play sports during recess.
We start the day with a morning meeting. The bell rings at 3 p.m. We work together on group projects. I ask questions when I don't understand something. We discuss different topics in class every week. The students share their ideas during presentations. I appreciate the feedback from my peers. She always helps me when I need it.
She always arrives on time. I usually study in the evenings. He often goes fishing on weekends. They sometimes visit their grandparents. I rarely eat fast food. She never smokes. He plays soccer on Saturdays.